In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add shadows to shapes in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Canva and locate the project that you'd like to work on and open that project. Once the project is open and you're inside the design page, click on the shape, and when you do that, a menu of options, a top row will appear. You want to click on effects. Once you've clicked on effects, you want to click on drop. And when you click on drop, you will see 5 different configurations that you can make. The first being direction, and what this does is it allows you to select the direction of the shadow or the drop. And the next one is the offset, which allows you to choose how far from the shape the shadow will extend. And the next one is the blur, which allows you to decide how clear or blurry you would like to make your shadow. So you don't want to make it too clear or too blurry. So this should be okay. And the second to last one is the transparency of your shadow. And the last option is the color. If you would like a different color, maybe for the shadow, let's say like a purple sort of shadow. Now, once you've made all of your configurations, they should be reflected in your shadow, in your shape, and that is how you add shadows to shapes in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any issues or any questions along the way, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below.